February and I have been on a little shopping haul. Like I said, it was about a week or two since the last one, and I have run very low on supplies and I've needed to stock up. So I'm just going to go through the 4 bags of shopping that I've bought. It came to around £100. There's a mixture of home goods, food, things for my son and things for cleaning the house. So first off, I got these flowers. They're only £2.99. And then we're going to start with this shopping bag. I will try and categorise it out. So again, I've got some pineapple cottage cheese because my son loves cottage cheese and I can put it in his sandwiches. Got some more British mature cheddar because that's one of my faves. A bit of everything. Got some hummus because I'm planning on making a Nando's inspired rice bowl with hummus and rice and chicken from the butchers and head stem broccoli. I've got these high protein yogurts from Milbona. They've got 11.5 grams of protein in each yogurt. I had one yesterday, I thought they'd be a nice snack. Then I made sure to stock up on fruits and vegetables, so I bought some fresh mangoes here that I can chop up and put in yogurts for my son. I can put them in his lunchbox. I can put them in porridge in the morning. I can put them in smoothies. They're very versatile. This is purple sprouting broccoli, which I thought that I could put in the rice bowl that I'm making this week. Nando's inspired. Got some orange juice, which I just had yesterday. Also, I got some more tomatoes in. I haven't managed to purchase any sourdough, but I'm going to get some sourdough and then have my usual sourdough with tomatoes and cream cheese, which I haven't got yet but will buy, or sourdough with tomatoes and hummus and balsamic vinegar, or sourdough with feta on sourdough, or avocado. Like, it's so versatile. And I got this goat cheese and roasted red pepper quiche because I really miss living in France and I really miss goat cheese, so I just wanted to buy that. And then I got some refrigerators in oven, fried chicken and just plain chicken because they're very high in protein, which is what we want because I'm trying to hit the gym a lot these days, and you do have to fuel your body when you're exercising at the intensity and the duration of time that I do, especially if I'm doing yoga classes and doing, weightlifting in the actual gym, and doing swimming outside and cycling there and back, going for the occasional jog, getting my 10,000 steps a day, doing home dance aerobics workouts, home yoga. It's a lot, it takes its toll on the body, so you do have to make sure you're fueling up. And then this bag, you may think I'm being a bit lazy, but I've been listening to this podcast called the Fit, Healthy and Happy podcast, which I've listened to since I had personal training online coaching with Toby Huntington-Whiteley in 2021. And he recommended me a podcast called the Fit, Healthy and Happy podcast, which of all the ones he sent me was the one that kind of resonated the most, that I enjoyed listening to the most. And I think his name's Josh. In this podcast he says that we go through different seasons of life. So for example, if you're a new mum, you've got a newborn baby and all you're doing is taking them for walks in the pram and breastfeeding, then you may want to order a food prep service to deliver homemade meals for you, because it's not just one of those seasons of life. And for me, in this current season of life I'm in, I have been cooking for the last 3 years, but I have other things to focus on now, like the gym and weight loss and fitness. So just for like the next 5 days, these are meals for the next 5 days. We're just gonna give it a go with just having these. So I got this. This is just a standard chicken tikka masala, high protein. And I got from Chef Select penne beef bolognese with cherry tomatoes, and it's got 25 grams of protein. This is frozen. So that's meals for 1 day there. Then I got some, these are more expensive ones, deluxe. Oh no, it seems to have leaked. But anyway, it's meatballs al forno with tomato sauce from Deluxe. I had one of these yesterday. It was macaroni cheese with pancetta, and I've got some still left over. It was okay. It was a little bit stodgy, and I woke up in the morning with not a great taste in my mouth. I had to use extra mouthwash and toothpaste. But then I got this Chef Select 28 grams of protein chicken tikka masala with chickpea pilau rice. And then this one is Chef Select again, high protein chicken meatballs and tomato pasta. So I got that as well. And then I got spaghetti bolognese from Chef Select here. And a ham and mushroom tagliatelle from Chef Select. And cottage pie from Deluxe. And some just vegetable spring rolls. I've got some sweet chilli sauce in my flat, and my son loves spring rolls, so I thought I'd get some of them for him. As you can see, I've got this Easy Step metal walk-through safety gate behind me, which he technically doesn't really need anymore, but I've got it anyway just to be extra cautious. So then this is a bottle cleaner, which I got. I'm going to put this over here now in the section. And then I got some all-purpose cleaner because I'm running low on this. And I just got some standard wholemeal pita bread. And I also bought some cupcake cases because I'm hoping to make my son some cupcakes soon this week. And I got some bananas here, which I'll put over there. And I bought this Vitasia Asia style meal kit for cashew korma because I'm looking to start making more mild curries. It's really big on my list of things to do. I was listening to Jessie Ware's podcast, Is It Normal? And there's one episode where she and a guest speaker talk about sort of postnatal nourishment, and this nutritionist I think that she's speaking to, she's recommended things like soups, stews, curries, not really salads postnatal, but kind of like warm food that's easy to digest, so like no raw foods. And so I got this cashew korma kit, which I'm looking forward to using shortly. Then I just got a couple of air fresheners. They were like 69p, so I thought let's get two. A couple of pestos for things like pasta, drizzling on salads, having in sandwiches. You know, there's so many things you can do with green pesto, so I've got two of those. Then I just got, because I fancy getting some desiccated coconut and ground almonds. Ground almonds are really good just to have in cakes, but they also are really good for you nutritionally. As for desiccated coconut, it all counts as, you know, one of your 5 a day. And these are really nice with pancakes, and you can like put them on the whatever you're having with pancake banana or syrup or what have you, and it's really nice. I used to get pancakes in Paris when I lived in the centre of Paris. I used to always get a pancake from the same pancake stand with desiccated coconut, Nutella, and I think banana, and maybe some cream as well. And I always really enjoyed just walking through Paris on the way to the Sorbonne with my desiccated coconut pancakes. So yeah, I've got some of that. Then I just got a salt and pepper shaker. I thought I could add the salt and pepper to that, and then put the big containers in the cupboard. More air freshener. Some vanilla essence for the baking because we run out. And then I just got 3 packets of chocolate chips. So white chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, and dark chocolate chips. Just because, like I say, I'm hoping to get into healthy baking soon. Coconut sugar and brown flour and things. I got the lemon and herb peri peri sauce because I think the other one expired, or I'm running low. Like I say, the main cooked meal this week is going to be tender stem broccoli with basmati rice. I have kindly been given from Sanjida or Wind's Whispers, with some of this sauce, hummus, and a breast of chicken that I'm going to have to buy from the butcher's, and then like a couple of other bits which I haven't quite decided what I'm going to add to it yet. I was thinking maybe like coleslaw or something, but I'm not sure. Then I just got these resistance band loops, a set of 2. They were in the limited edition aisle, and the reason I got them is because in 2021 I worked with a physiotherapist literally right next to London Bridge for about 3 months. He was excellent, and he told me I had chronic ankle instability and weak knees, and the exercises that we always did together were with resistance bands. And he gave me loads, and I lost them all and I never used them again, which is terrible, which is hence probably why I ended up getting a ruptured knee. But I do remember working with him, and I would like to do a SARS request to get the exercises that he offered me. So we've got some resistance bands to put in my gym bag, take with me to the gym and learn how to use. Really, really good purchase there. Lastly in this bag, just some bicarbonate of soda because a lot of the recipes call for it. And we'll go around here for this bit. This is the last bag of shopping. We've just got some toilet tissue because we're running low. Some more shreddies, which I had a bowl of this morning because I'd run out. Then I just got a scented candle, sea salt and driftwood, because it was like 60p. You never have too many candles. And so we need the food back, I think. I did definitely increase my vegetable quota today, and when I remembered that I was going to be doing this video, I didn't get the magnums from the freezer, and I didn't get a lot of other chocolatey things that usually I'd have got. So, I've got this book for my son. It's a colouring book, again in a limited edition aisle. I got some serum, some vitamin C face serum, which I thought I could add to my skincare routine until I get the Inky list products. Got some more conditioner here, and I got some lovely fresh pears just to snack on. Got some toothpaste here for my son to keep in mind for when he stays over with me. And I got him also some toothbrushes aged 0 to 6 years for him to keep up with his oral hygiene, because that affects your gut health. And lastly I got him some Sonic the Hedgehog pyjamas. They are 100% cotton, kids pyjamas, and 100% ecological textile printing, 100% cotton, suitable for tumble dryers, and I literally think they were about £2. So really excellent purchase there for him. You can never have too many pyjamas, literally. So now I'm just going to kind of try and arrange this into sections. So we'll put everything for the home. This can be fitness over here, and then everything for the home will go over here, including things for my son. So salt and pepper shakers, toothpaste for him, air fresheners. Food's all going to go over here. Some serum over there. Got toothbrushes, serum, face serum, vitamin C. I can prop that up. Bacon can go over here. All different chocolate chips. Ground almonds. Resistance bands in here. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I bought. Especially the amount of fruits and vegetables I've got. We've got bananas, tomatoes, broccoli. I've got actual clear ideas of how I'm going to prepare these fruits and veg. So yeah, that's what I got. Stuff for my son over there, lots of food, ideas for meals, some prepared high protein ready meals, some basic homeware cleaning products, items for my son, just self-care, candles and things, a meal kit, some standard cottage cheese for scrambled eggs, and that's what I got this week, as well as a few other bits and bobs like another conditioner, some milk, and a few other things which I've just not brought back out for this video. So yeah, I'll show you here what I got. So we've got over here things for my little boy, including this lovely cozy colouring book here, and we have also got some pears, some refrigerator snacks, some 100% cotton pyjamas for my son, broccoli, tomatoes, quiche, bananas, pestos, chicken kormas, vegetable spring rolls, some high protein, healthy ready meals, new toothbrush for my son, toothpaste for him, a scented candle, some face serum, some lovely flowers over there, air fresheners, conditioner, and we can't quite see them here. Let me move these up. We got some high protein. Let me put this here. We've got some high protein yogurts over there, and yeah, so that's the food haul, the grocery shop haul for this week. I'm really pleased with my good work. I had to cycle to Lidl, put 4 bags of shopping on the front and back basket of my bike, cycle it all home, carry it up 2 flights of stairs with a ruptured leg.